Welcome everybody. This is Eric. This is my channel, Cajun Blade. What we got here be a last shave video for a minute. Gotta head back to work, but we're gonna shave on the last two honings I had on video, which is this Juno Baker, which is he got his blades made from Bengal. This is Australian razor, late 1800s. So it gets honed on a convex cuticle, 8.5 inch wheel, foot wheel. Let me start over. 8.5 foot wheel, and then finished on a 22 foot wheel on a slate. All right. Then we got this Gold Monkey 777 hone on JNAT. Let's see how she do. Okay. Soap tonight is my soap, which is this one here is camera fell, is a tallow base and palm oil. It's got a woodsy, pine, oak, mossy, dead, rotten wood during hunting season smell to it. I love it. Not really rotten smell, but all the smells of the woods. No citrus, no musk, no amber. A little sandalwood, not much though. I didn't want no sweet in that. So, some water. Little brush. Using a Yaki. Is my phone still falling? All right. So the brush is a Yaki 26 High Mountain Badger. Go straight to the hook. As you can hear, that Tallow. Okay. The water. Didn't know much about palm oil, but kind of like Tallow. They keep telling us not to use it. But to me, that means it's probably going to be pretty good. All that lecturing, holier than thou, self-righteous, you shouldn't be using this, shouldn't be using that. That don't do nothing for me. If they've been using it for a long time, it's for a reason. Look at that. Okay, well, we'll lose the glasses till the last pass. I think we'll go, we'll split the first pass between the JNAT and the other razor. All right, here we go. Not bad. Definitely not bad. Now, would I rather a full progression? Absolutely. Absolutely. But those of you who don't have it, just hone synthetics to get up to there, you really wouldn't know what you're missing anyway. So, Juno Baker razor. That's nice. Real easy on that trouble spot on my neck where it always gets me. I really like that. See, with that convex slate is I'll be honest with you, I'd put that against that TI I bought. That's nice, extremely nice. Won't be the last time I do that. I think I'm gonna finish the shape with this razor. Yeah, you do that, change your plans midway. I do it all the time. All the time. All right. That's true. A little water. Hadn't went back to the pup. I like it. Don't mind a yogurt. Look tube, it's got to be wet. I'd rather this right here. Come on out there. Rinse my blade. I know everybody's different. I use a wet, nasty lather. I love it. So I can't really just use a towel with my straight razor. I know that's what a lot of people tell you to do. I do wet my razor between passes. Call the razor police. I don't care. And that's a good razor, good edge. I don't know if I said it in the video. I found these two, it was two of them for $9. I aggravated with that phone holder. All right. Last pass. Need some water for sure here. I didn't say it, but I'm using cold water here. I had hot water before, but in sympathy of Leon, I haven't hot water at his truck stops. In solidarity. Is that how you say that, Leon? Free Leon. Free Leon. Get him hot water. Most people would feel triggered for not having hot water. It's like having violence against you. He handled it with grace. All right. Now I gotta use some hot water, brother. I may be ass backwards, but I like hot water after. Probably not the only thing I'm different about. It feels so good. Little witch hazel now. Oh, let's look at the work we've done, because I can't see nothing right now. Okay, you have to do a little buffering right there. Little witch hazel. A little bit of them rolls right there. Hear that thing sing? It's that convex edge. Ring, ring, ring. Hello. All right, that's it. That's a wrap. So that was my homemade soap. A gold dollar. That was okay. Off of JNat. Good. Not most standards. I had no issue with it. But I was comparing that a razor. Had a convex edge on a convex cuticle, and also just recently shaped a slate, and I finished on it, and it was, man, fantastic. No complaints. Really good edge. I do put alcohol in my, a little bit mixed that because it makes my scent go into solution in my witch hazel. So I could indicate if there's any burn there, but I'm gonna use for a splash. Don't quite go with it, but it's close. Bon Natal by Thomas the Shaver, Night Watch Soap Company. It's also a woodsy scent. I'll use that. Shit, no burn. Excellent. Excellent. I like it. Well, starting to sweat here. I'm about to get back in the shower. It's hot down here. But anyway, this is Eric. This is my channel, Cajun Blade. Appreciate you joining me. Shout out to all the guys out there that follow. Sean, Bill, Greg, Leon with Long Haul Tanker, Dapper, Shave, Jacques, the Peter the Shaving Cyclist. Hope I ain't forget nobody. But hey, Martin, Test Shaves, be careful over there, Martin. Be glad to see you back. Looking at some of your interesting pictures and stuff. Bet you're having a good time. All right, man. We'll see y'all on the next one.